Hello, my loves. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, so I thought I'd just post this on YouTube because I post on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. So I'm like, hold on, let me do a little voiceover for YouTube as well. I'm just going to be talking through this video, and then anyone who wants to know how I did my face routine, it is at the end of the video. So make sure you keep watching, like, comment, subscribe if you'd like to, and I appreciate you all for clicking on. So I'm just starting this look off with some eyeshadow base from P. Louise. This is the eyeshadow base number 3. It's a lighter one that I used this time. Using one of my new eyeshadow palettes coming to BeatsByDeb Cosmetics soon. I cannot wait. I'm using 3 of the blue shades out of my palette to just build a nice gradient effect on the eye. It's literally just like doing a smoky eye but colorful. So I'm just packing the deepest shade on first in a circular type of a shape, and then we're going to start building up, going towards the brow bone with lighter shades. So a key to making a very nice smoky eye, don't matter what colors you use, what combination you use. You can use purple as your deepest shade, going into pink, orange, yellow. You could build it up however you want. You want to use the firm brush for your building shadow. So your base shadow, the deepest one, you want to use a firmer type of brush. The fluffier the brush, the easier it is to blend. So for my lightest shade, you'll see I'm going to have a very, very fluffy. And when I say fluffy, I just mean less dense. It's you know, it's not as dense as the one I use for the deepest shadow. So the fluffier brush you use, the easier it is to blend, the lighter of a blend you get. So for that lightest shadow, you'll see me just barely putting some color onto it and just lightly blending circular motions out. You see here I am using it now. It's very fluffy. It doesn't add much color. You just want that color to be present, giving that gradient effect, but not really like, you know, it being so harsh as the deepest blue shade. So dense brush starting out with your deepest shade. As you move up, let the brush be less dense to barely any density in the brush, a very fluffy one for your lightest shade. That gives such a beautiful blend towards your brow bone, and it just builds the whole face, makes it look gorgeous in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? We love a good blend. So that's pretty much the technique I used in all the looks. You'll see at the end I did 6 different looks this day with 6 different color combinations. If you guys want to see me using my BeatsByDeb Cosmetics glitters in different looks, this is any look you can get using my palette and the glitters as well. So if you want a very colorful eyeshadow palette, you'll see me use the eyeshadow palette for all these looks. So I cannot wait. I have 2 palettes coming out, a neutral one and a colorful one. That is some exclusive information nobody knows yet, so y'all the first ones to find out, period. Okay. So you just see me basically blended the blues up towards my brow bone, and then went back in with that deepest shade and just put that back on my lid. And I'm just making sure I take my time and blend, and after that I want to have a good base before I add my glitter. So I use my everything glue on a brush, and I just placed it, like tapped it into place. I didn't like try to draw a circle with my glues or whatever like that. If you put it on a brush first, you'll find it way easier to like almost blend your glitter as well. Even though it's chunks and it's not like eyeshadow, it places it very randomly, but where you want it basically. So you see me picking up glitter with that same brush that I used to use the glue on, and I use that brush, pick up the glitter and place it right on my lid. And you'll see like I do it in a specific way. I first press all the glitter I want on my lid in the circular motion as I did on that eye, and then I just take whatever glitter is left on the brush and I just like start placing it up towards the lighter part of the eyeshadow, because I don't want the glitter to just be compact in one area. So you see it almost looks like a blended glitter effect as well. I just did my under eyes with the same blue, and I didn't add anything to my waterline on purpose because I knew I was going to be changing looks, and I didn't want to like, you know, have my waterline looking all crazy and red after I keep rubbing looks off. So yeah, I'm just going to add my lashes. And you guys were like, how did you add the lashes on top of the glitter? Baby, you draw the lash glue on the glitter. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, draw the lash glue across your eye so you get a very close lash. Then you put your mascara, and when you add your lashes on, you just press everything together with your fingers. I'm telling you, it's like magic. I have a lash tutorial on my YouTube as well if you want to check that out. And I use this technique, and I've never used any other technique after this. Like, after I've seen somebody used it. I said specifically who it was in that video, but man, it's such a great technique. So if you guys want to try it, you definitely should. Everyone also asking me where I got these headbands from for these looks, because I wore like different cute little headbands. Baby, the beauty supply, they were literally like $2. Like, I kid you not. So yeah, they also sell them on like AliExpress and places like that. I'm pretty sure like a lot of different little boutiques and stuff sell these. So yeah, they're very inexpensive and they're very cute. Cute little look, you know what I'm saying? Very cute. I really liked all the makeup looks that I did, and I just had fun playing around makeup this day. So I hope to bring you guys more content. And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram and definitely TikTok. I've been posting a lot more on there, just little techniques and tricks and tips and stuff. So you'll see a little trick or tip that I did removing this glitter with tape. If you haven't seen that video already. So I hope you all enjoyed this talk through, this little video, and I hope to bring more content to you guys. Thanks so much for subscribing, and thank you for 200,000 subscribers once again. At this point, we just doing what it do, you know. I appreciate everyone who's still subscribed and looking out for the vids. I'm just adding my gloss and then we're all set. I am so excited for these looks and these glitters and these lashes and the eyeshadow palettes. I can't wait to see you guys creating with my palettes. So make sure to keep a lookout for that, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. All the details are down in my description below. Okay, y'all, I'm about to try something crazy, right? I'm about to try to like take my glitter off with tape. Oh my god, I'm scared. I know y'all probably like, Deb, it's not even that serious, but baby, I'm not trying to like redo my face makeup. I'm trying to like do another glitter look with the same makeup. You get me? So I got my industrial boy here. Okay, no game. That's scary. So I'm gonna just like carefully like, what? It worked perfect. And I can't cap, another reason I was scared, because I use eyelash glue to put this glitter on. So Vaseline and a baby wipe to get the rest off. I had to add some eyeshadow base and restart a look. So period, that worked. Yeah, 100% recommend. Like, what?